OSI recommends that on the 2x6, you use 3 full 3/8 inch rounded beads. On a 2x4, 2 are probably going to be adequate. This will get you in the ballpark of applying the correct amount of liquid flash. Now there's nothing wrong if I should have put too much on, but just know it's going to take a little longer to cure. Next step, take my putty knife and I simply spread it out. Again, I'm looking for an even coat of product that completely covers the surface. But if there's a mark, a stamp, or a brand on the lumber, if I can kind of see that darker marker, that gives me a pretty good indication. I'm trying to get it thin enough so that I can actually see that stamp through there, but that I don't see the grain. Technically speaking, we're looking for about 12 to 15 mil thick of product on this board.